tour time. And this is the premiere special. Actually, I do premieres a lot. Oh well. This is Te Papa in Wellington, which is one of those free art gallery things. And this place is really nice selection of cone MCs, or maybe cone novel elements. I'm not really sure. You have a section of hydraulic contraction, except in Toy Story, you don't really see the contraction lifts anymore, because they got modernized a bit. Yeah, that's right. They got the indicators replaced, and the outer buttons have now been replaced with KD300 AUS. Except the inside dirt buttons are still original, which is and the hydraulic lifts are still original. So that is a little bit of a disappointment. Anyways, now we go to the first lift, which is in the lobby. This goes from level 1, which is like interesting, level 2 to the main floor, and this lift is a hydraulic. This lift is actually kind of useless, because why couldn't they have extended the main lift to go down to this floor? This is just ridiculous.
This is the lift in the lobby. Okay, and this here, 90's coming over the route. And so down there, go down to 1. This look heavy. This one isn't glass, but it does have glass doors. Got your tiling over there. Oh, it's a cone sign. It's just weird. And there's the lightning, which you can't even see. Here's a prison hall, emergency stop, light, fan, independent service. 7 seconds to level. And 9, and 2, and the capacity is 110 kilograms and 15 persons. Let's look out the window. Wait, actually, it might not be a good idea. I think this would get a pretty decent view. There you go. There, and down. And hey, door closed when you push the button. What an interesting feature that is. And oh, all you see is blackness. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, don't even know what that is. But whatever it is, we're picking some gas in. And I think they're going up to 2, alright. Going up. And they'll just I'll take these guys up and they'll come back down. Those are my pants tops. And that is like all you get. It just changes like everything. That like actually, you know, like basically for that, like at the back screen there was like a Shimmer MT3 alright? Oh, we're bringing more people up. Coming down? What button do we need to press? Round. Oh, I already pressed it for you, so no need to worry, guys. And going down. Oh, lift number 9. So we're gonna meet our mom. What are you doing? Filming. Lift filmer, something like that. Oh, no. Filming. And you got color between 9 full color. There's no forecast. How old are you? 11. Oh, dedicated. Oh, maintainer is coming. Oh, that's good. Hope they aren't going to modernize any. And I right down there, and so I said, down, so there's no indicator. So extremely disappointing. But I think that's actually pretty good. So let's go out. And this is the lever. How long it takes? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds to level. And that's it.
Okay, yesterday apparently. It's just for passengers. Cone escalator. Brand new one, I placed on one from probably from arcade and stuff. Also these things that light up. That's what a very nice and compelling feature. And now we go to the side lift, which only goes between floors 1 to 4, which is stupid because if they extended it to like well, if they actually extended it to floor 6, then it would have a much more use. So yeah, that was kind of a dumb move. Anyways, this lift also used to be a nice Conovel element, and except then they replaced the fixture in 2010, and the motor's now been replaced in 2019. And yeah, here we're gonna look at the video before the motor replacement and the fixtures, and after.
Okay, this is just another take of the Conovel element. This time we're going back up to 4.
At the bottom, so there's going to be first and then go down to the bottom.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. There it comes. This time we can take a look at the other end. Oh, that was just a hand dryer. Don't film hand dryers. And it's the first floor. Only go out this time. Yay! And this time we're going up to. Oh great, someone didn't even select 4. Okay, there we go. 4 we go. Mum, are we getting off at 4?
Yes.
And
Right, Selena.
your motor. Oh, look down. No, definitely not. And don't have to be about nudge wrong. That's it.
Yeah, and yeah, this stuff was replaced from anything else. Just basically now. Well, at least there's like the yes. Going to 1.
Yep.
That wasn't really that interesting. Let's go. And here is his staff lift, which has 2 3 doors. It's a Conovel element, and don't know if it's hydraulical traction because it's locked off. All I know is that this is one of the original lifts to have Novell element fixes, except yeah, the hydraulic ones still have Novell element fixes, except maybe not anymore. They might get replaced if they change the hydraulic Novell or something. And yeah, I couldn't actually write this. It might, and I don't even know where it goes. Now we go to the Mace, which used to be some awesome Conovel elements. Simply got they fixed the Mace 27, except these ones have had their motor replaced. Oh dear. Anyways, let's take a look before the motor was replaced.
Okay, this is the 90s Conovel element at Sea Papa. Lift out and they see, okay, here comes the lift. And they see, now, and don't film whatever you do. Keep going up to 4. Heavy. And no, okay, well, that's so annoying. And the compare, here we go down. And the stairs are 1100 kilograms, 16 persons. That is the lights you have, and that is the tiling. No, we're on the first floor. And we're picking up someone. And that is where it's going, so let's look at the indicator now. Oh, there's the RFID card. Stopped at 2nd floor. Oh, they got an emergency telephone. These lifts are extremely busy because of the event today. That is so stupid. Oh, you got an alarm coming, and there's a horrible Dewhurst. Oh my god, I think that's can't return to a main floor, and the cover and the floor car is secured. And we're stopping at 3rd floor. Why is these lifts always busy? First of Connoville Outlet. And here we are.
Okay. No, just wait, Daniel. Remember, let other people out first.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Right, okay.
And
Daniel, now where are we going?
these have controllers. Colin over there. Do not use lift in the event of fire. Lift out with you. And there's the. And there it goes. And that's it. Okay, these are the main 90s novella elements. Okay, push the button to go down because you're gonna
Yeah, on the
see-
way out.
you see, this is what
Do you want it now?
Got your cool novel indicator over there. Ring the power wheel my door. So which stuff's gonna come?
Now, Daniel,
This
there's a
one?
children's presentation as well. Should we go look at the children's area? It's over here. There might be something else that you can do there.
Maybe we could do that later.
Well, we haven't got much later.
And we're gonna take this lift. And it does not display the down arrow, which is so annoying. Oh, well, let's go down
Leon,
to...
come here.
Oh, someone already pressed the button for 42. Same cab, same lights. Oh, maybe some tone.
Be careful.
Off my card. And this is also on. And
shutting
the
the door,
capacity is 300 and... Oh, shoot, door close doesn't work. Or maybe it does, but I don't know. Anyway, the capacity is 380 kilograms and 20 persons. And we are on the second floor. And as you can see up there,
Are we out, Daniel?
does not have the capacity button over there. And that was the lift which sended the
Okay, where are we going to?
and I feel it will take so long, so that's it. Okay, okay, this is another take of the elevators co-novel elements, and this is we're taking. Oh, this one again. Oh, we're taking this one. And this is the one with
My
the
phone,
up
it'll
segment.
be-
And the chimes being muted should be duh, something like that. Anyways, floor is free.
Journey.
Yes, please.
A little bit more
The
exciting.
floor's free. Oh, which floor you going to? Which floor you going
That's all
to?
right, Daniel.
And so
Three
then
will
you're
be
watching
fine.
all of
Leave
their
it.
journey.
They will push it themselves
The
if they
end.
need
So
to.
you keep jumping between all the different people. So you
And
kind
all
of
those
get bored with, like,
talkers.
Frodo, because he's boring.
Anyway, on the third floor. And this is what it looks like on the third floor. Even an up segment over there. And the lift also is on the third floor. And that is totally it.
Okay, would you look at this? When I came on 25th February, this episode was under modernisation, and look, into it.
Are you determined to go up the lift then?
Yup. And this is the... So that's it. It's last. Modernised. It's any difference to the... And here's the lift, simply. Okay, this is and second. So what's your dollar? Changed much. It's not me. It's slow because it doesn't work. Oh god, I just jumped. Just jumping aside.
Then should we see you downstairs?
Yeah, meet me at the... If it's okay.
Except one of the Western Australians.
Carrots.
Yeah. Every time anybody tells me they're going there, I say, would you have a look for my carrots? This is 1992. Just now, no.
Holy Jesus. Hear this. It's now in. It's been shaded.
Are you going down?
Yes.
Yeah. Right, go on and you get quick.
It's now so in.
This is as low as that one goes.
And now we go to the staff lifts, which Sally wasn't able to get into, but just like the main lifts, they've also had their fixtures replaced. Oh dear. And it looks like they're also going to be having new motors put in. Ah, that's very difficult. But notice that up button on like the left hand side of the lift, and then there's the up and down button on the right. What do you have the up button for? Maybe it's because only one lift serves floor 6, and these lifts serve all floors. In fact, these are the only lifts in the whole that actually serve all floors, which is very interesting. So, Sally was able to get to them, except we can see these lifts in action as I've reviewed them. And that is the logo on the things. Anyways, let's take a look at them.
Okay, this video is when just some lady going to stop. Let's see where she goes. Doors open and oh, just like that. And so she goes down, and let's see which floor she goes down to. Let me see. Oh, that one goes first floor, and. Oh my gosh, this is just manic. Goodness me, oh, basically, some people film lifts on the outside, just lift film or something, and as you can see, they're gonna catch that lift. And these guys go down, and we just stay on this floor because these are not for public. Hope everyone has the message. And it goes down. That one just stays on the 3rd floor, and that one goes down to the 3rd floor. Oh well, anyways, I think they won't be going anywhere else, so that's it.
And next to the staff-only elevators is a freight elevator, which has vertical doors. Now, actually, vertical doors aren't really that common in New Zealand, so it is a nice treat to actually see one of these. Sadly, it is only used for transporting goods and is not meant for passengers. And now to the scenic lift on the other side. This goes between floors 2, 3, and 4, and is still original up to this day. Let's ride it!
Okay, this is lift to level 2, and it's a Nikon elevator. This one is highly hydraulic, and this one has the original inside called buttons. Let's this. And here it is, and this one is a scenic. Yay! Yuck. And it's got glass doors over there, and right. And let's go again. And now let's take a look at the inside. This is an ultra nice cabin. These are the buttons you have here. Oops. And soon let's go down to press 4. And open up again and
Hello.
hey, it's good. Anyways, I won't film for no reasons and maybe we could just anyways, these are awesome doors. Anyways, this is actually detailed look, not like surfing lift, something due to staff management and yeah. Anyways, before you ride this lift, let's just have the lift information. Here it comes! It's left, right, and down. As you can see, the lift is on the 7th floor, not the 4th floor, so let's call it. Here it comes. It's the one-side hydraulic, so it isn't really good. And here it comes. Button goes out. And there we have it. And I think that uses and let's go down to 2 cab view and here we go. Look up my card. No, it does. So this these don't could go to 13 persons. Anyways, don't know what they did over here. Heard it was being maintained. And this is the lights you have in the tiling. And basically this on floor 2 and it's the indicator. Don't. I think I have to already go there, so call again. And let's go back up to 4. Oh, door close works. Let's walk out the window. And hey, if you can't see me, they've got helicopters, and this is just so awesome. Oh, you got your emergency ticket and alarm. I'll take seconds to label. And actually, let's go down to 3 and take a look out there. And this time, let's look out this way. Down there, you've got something. And swing to 3, and this is what happened. Down there, you can see something. And let's take a look down there. And up there, we've got some staircases. These staircases have just look how high level 3 is. This time, let's go down. This time let's go down to 2, and this time let's take a look at this emergency television. Car turned to main floor, a car reloaded, and the 4 car secured. That's just sweet. I'm so stunned. There should be a link for it, but someone is sucked to her. Going up. Yup. So you got light fan and independent service. Which floor are you going to?
4th.
Okay, and door closed. So let's look at the indicator because I don't want to get those on camera. So I don't get copyright strike.
Outside Bush City, I have
Nordium.
about 100 types of different plants. Some of them are used by early Maoli as a medicine or
So now
making
that
books.
someone must be upsetting indicate for some weird reason. Down and that's what it looks like. And watch the lift go.